Holly from Hairstyles and Dimples. This week we'll be doing a fishtail. And just for our American subscribers, we will be doing the short hair and afro hair tutorials, but just not this week. So let's get started. I started by putting her hair in just a normal ponytail. Doesn't matter on the length. You can give it a little spritz if you want, but you don't really need to. Then divide the pieces of hair into each. Give them a little comb because you don't want them to be messy. And then it's up to you how you hold it, but I find it easy holding it. I don't know actually. Just grab a little piece from either side. I'm gonna this side A, so far left side A, and the right piece B. I'm gonna take a little tiny piece from the far right side of section B, and I'm just going to pop it over the top into section A, and then I'm going to do the same, take it from the far left side of section A and take it over to section B. It's quite a simple one, just take a little bit and take it over the top. So make sure they don't get confused with the wrong. So just a little bit of hair over the top. And when I say a little bit, I mean that much, and really not a lot. Then take it over the top. These fishtails are quite useful if you know how to do them, aren't they? Yeah. There's loads of hairstyles that involve them, or there's lots of adaptations of them.
And you can do it yourself.
Yeah, and you can do it on yourself. It is quite easy. We can both do them on ourselves. So, carry on doing that.
But it does take.
Yeah, it takes long if you do small sections. But don't go ahead and take big chunks, because if you do a big chunk it'll just look back a normal plait or braid. So, just carry on doing that. As I said, there's many different types of fishtail. For starters, you've got the French fishtail.
Yeah.
And then you've got the reverse one. Is there any more?
The fake one.
Oh yeah, the fake one, which is quite easy to do, especially on yourself.
Yeah, it takes 2 seconds.
It takes 2 seconds.
Mm-hmm.
If you know how to do the, what do you call it? The twisted...
The flips.
Yeah, the flipped ponytail.
We will be showing that.
Yeah, we'll show that one very soon as well. But for now, we're just going to do the proper fishtail. So obviously, the longer you take with this, the better it will look, making sure the sections are even. But I'm just going to rush ahead just for you guys. So as I said, just carry on doing that. This is probably like the longest hairstyle in the world, isn't it?
Yeah.
It takes ages, forever. Just carry on. By all means, if you you don't have a lot of time, do try the fake fishtail.
Yeah.
A lot quicker, and it does look very similar. And we'll show you the difference when we do the fake fishtail. Definitely. So now I'm just getting towards the end of her hair. Depending on the length of your hair, it will depend on the fishtail size. So once you start getting some flyaways, a little bit sticking out of the ponytail, I'm just going to do a couple more.
Would you go this is a short video?
Yeah, you can do it on short hair, but obviously you get a lot of flyaways straight away.
Mm-hmm.
Then just go ahead and tie it with an elastic. You can use big, heavy duty ones, I like to call them. I like to use them because their hair's quite thick, or you can use these little packet ones that are really small. But now I'm just going to pancake it, and just for this bit you're just going to pull it apart. Obviously the more you pull it apart, the bigger the braid will become. If you want a scruffier look, then pull it more. You can use hairspray if you want, but I don't really use that. So yeah, that is the fishtail. Ta-da! We will see you next Thursday. I'm Macy, and this...
Right, stop!